In Brooklyn, Ohio, a routine traffic
fucking car! Crawl out of the fucking door! Here, I got it. Hold on. Stop. I got it. Go turn that off. Turn that siren off. And make sure they're okay in that truck. Keep your hands out, dude. Keep your hands out. What? Get it over there. Punch up, Rick. All right. Get out and drop. Face down. Oh, you get your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back, dude. Watch the blood. Yeah, you're bleeding? Yeah. From what? Another one took off over by Geppetto's. On foot. He was with him? On foot, yeah. Passenger. All right. Tell the detectives so they can go.
On July 25, 2024, Dallas police officers were dispatched after a flock license plate reader detected a stolen red GMC pickup truck parked at an apartment complex on Gulf Lakes Trail. Covert CRT officers called for backup, and uniformed patrol units surrounded the vehicle with marked squad cars. The truck, which had 4 suspects inside, became the focus of a tense standoff. When officers tried to block the vehicle, the driver, 21-year-old Damon Price, deliberately accelerated and crashed into police cars. The stolen truck then rolled backward and stopped, leading the suspects to exit. 2 of them immediately ran away on foot as the situation intensified.
Six 7-1, shots are fired. We need more cover.
10-4, make it cover code 39600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Your call has been updated.
He's gonna be running west through the complex, heading towards the David Buster. For an old black jacket, he took off his hat, black male.
Your call has been updated.
Buster's going over here, by the building.
Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! Close the gun! Fucking shit!
He's still just sitting by himself. Looks like he's on the phone. It is running, though. Are they running? Do you want me to pull out ahead of y'all? Get a little more block? Is I pull in behind him or just pull behind him?
We don't have time. We're coming in hot now.
Hold on. I got mine out. I'd say fall in behind him so that way he can't hit the go in reverse and go over that hump. We're pulling on that. Now keep on coming. Keep on going. Your turns on the dumpster. He's tilt raptor.
Yep. Ready? Yep.
Oh, shit! God damn it! You good? Get up! He's got a gun! He's got!
600 Gulf Lakes Trail.
Good! He's running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the Damon Busters.
Black male.
He dropped his gun over here by the building.
John, I'm east of the south. Where's he at? Marijuana details 101.
17-year-old Eric Lampkin-Scarbrough emerged with a modified handgun featuring an extended magazine, prompting Officer Travis Marks to fire his weapon, hitting him as he attempted to flee. Still armed, Lampkin-Scarbrough ran through the parking lot until he was apprehended and received first aid before being taken to the hospital. Meanwhile, officers arrested Price and 19-year-old Deontay Moore, who was later charged with capital murder in connection with a double homicide. A fourth suspect, who remains unidentified, escaped on foot. Several firearms were recovered at the scene. And while 2 officers were assaulted by the fleeing truck, there were no reported injuries among law enforcement. Charges now include assaulting officers and homicide.
You got close, Kevin? No. Here. It's out there. She fucking... What is your name? Eric. Eric what? Okay. Shit! God damn it! Good? Get out of the fucking truck! God! Truck the fucking gun! Good! He's running north! He's running north! He's gonna be running west of the complex, headed towards the Damon Busters. He's stopping. He's wearing all black jacket. He took off his hat. Black male. He dropped his gun over here.
By the building. John, I'm east of the south. Where's he at?
Fuck. You guys okay? Oh fuck, dude. There's on top of him. He's on top of him. Oh shit. That's a ram. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the fucking ground. Don't fucking move. I don't go with Kevin now. He's got the shooter. Go. Don't fucking move. We got one more gun. Hang on. To the fucking ground. I'm not gonna beat it. I'm not gonna be aggressive. I already told you. You already fucking were. Give me your other fucking hand. Shut up. Delta 684. Who shot at us?